The team. It's fun. It's happening.
I guess that's Josh. We're here to raid your fridge.
Yeah, come on.
So we're here at Josh Harris's house. We're gonna do some fridge raiding. This is what he had to start with. He has a little vegetable tray. But you know what, Q? There's some stuff in here, man. He has some snow peas. So I looked in his fridge. I got some stuff out. And what I like to do is I'm gonna build a theme today. I'm gonna do Asian.
All Asian?
Yeah, all Asian, everything. So I'm gonna do an appetizer. I'm gonna do kind of an entree. See what else he has in there.
Is the Kung Fu Wasabi Tuna. All right, that's the first one right there. This one right here is the Asian salsa. And what he did was he just took this tray right here, this platter of horribleness. Yeah, that Josh was gonna serve you. It had celery and snow peas and some carrots and some tomatoes. And whatever he could find in the kitchen, he took it, he mixed it all in, food processed it, and he mixed it up, man. It was amazing. So you guys let me know how it tastes. I'm gonna actually try
out of that.
everything that's on that. Yes, he did it. I'm telling you, I saw the whole thing.
It's good. That's good.
Wow.
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 I was like, wow.
Sesame. So we're almost done with this. Now, when you think about this, this is one chicken breast, one large chicken breast, and that's going to feed a lot of people. So it's also economical when you're having a party. Everything you have in your fridge, I use it to make cold sesame chicken noodle lettuce wraps.
Hello.
Oh, but you know one thing? I like to put some peanuts on top. You know, it's a little decorate. I couldn't find any peanuts, but what I did find, try.
All right, Tom.
Try it.
Josh.
All right. What do we say? On three? Cheers to Josh, man.
Cheers.
Let's make your party better. It's a wrap.
Oh man, you kidding me?
That's where babies come from.
Man.
Awesome.
Damn, dog.
Next episode, it's gonna be crazier than this one.
Bananas.
So watch out. We're gonna raid your fridge.
I see you looking in my, what are you doing in my, I hope you're cooking from my refrigerator.
Raid my fridge, come on, raid my fridge.